Forecast Back Forecast USDJPY, tips for beginner traders on October 3rd US. Session trade analysis and tips for trading the premium article will be available in 000003.10.2025 1:47 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000003.10.2025 1:47 p.m. Trade analysis and tips for trading the Japanese yen. The test of 147.60 in the first half of the day coincided with the moment when the MACD indicator had just started moving downward from the zero mark, confirming the correct entry point for selling the dollar. As a result, the pair fell by more than 30 points. During the US trading session, the main focus will be on FOMC member John Williams' speech and the ISM Services PMI report. The absence of fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get